Microsoft prevails in court to acquire Activision Blizzard for $69 billion. Defeating the U.S. Federal Trade Commission's opposition, the software giant secures the largest ever gaming deal. Mark Zuckerberg joins forces with UFC champions Adesanya and Volkanovski for cage match training against Elon Musk. The Facebook CEO gears up for the highly anticipated showdown. Icelandic volcano erupts for third consecutive year following thousands of earthquakes. Mount Fagradalsfjall experiences seismic activity, leading to cautionary warnings for tourists and locals. Reykjavik, the capital, and the nearby airport are approximately 20 miles away from the eruption site.